Why railway station advertisement is better? Maximum exposure. Railway stations have the highest footfall as compared to other mediums. Repeated and continuous exposure to railway advertisements reinforces brand visibility and awareness. Hence, railway station advertising is a highly recommended media option by us. Diverse audience. Advertising in railway stations attracts an audience from all classes and masses. It reaches a large spectrum of audiences including families, leisure travelers, students, businessmen, and many more. High frequency. Railway advertisements provide high frequency as most commuters travel to and fro on a daily basis, leading a repetitive audience to recall the railway station ads. Cost effective. Railway advertising services provided by 4D Marketing Space cost comparatively lesser as the cost per reach is very low. Railway ads also have a number of media options. Adverts can choose a medium that fits into their budget. We are presenting you Asia's biggest railway station, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay, commonly known as Mughalsarai Station, and the complete route of DDU to Gaya various stations. Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Junction, formerly known as Mughalsarai Junction, is a railway station in the town of Mughalsarai in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. The station contains the largest railway marshalling yard in Asia. This yard caters to around 2,500 to 3,000 trains in a month. All trains, including premium category Rajdhani and Duronto trains, halt at this station. The DDU junction handles more than 360,000 passengers every day, which makes it unique in the entire Indian Railways network. Total area of DDU junction is 16,235 square feet. Chandauli Majwar Railway Station. Area available for branding is 528 square feet. Chandauli is 5-platform station. Almost 40 trains commute on regular basis and 10,000s of people. Syed Raja Railway Station. Area available for branding is 486 square feet. Syed Raja is 5-platform station. Almost 18 trains commute on regular basis and 10,000s of people. Karmanasa Railway Station. Area available for branding is 240 square feet. Durgati Railway Station. Area available for branding is 554 square feet. Durgati is 4-platform station. Almost 16 trains commute on regular basis and 10,000s of people. Bhabuya Road Railway Station. Area available for branding is 1120 square feet. Bhabuya is 5-platform station. Almost 74 trains commute on regular basis and 10,000s of people. Muthani Railway Station. Area available for branding is 40 square feet. Pusauli Railway Station. Area available for branding is 300 square feet. Kudra Railway Station. Area available for branding is 504 square feet. Kudra is 4-platform station. Almost 28 trains commute on regular basis and 10,000s of people. Shivsagar Railway Station. Area available for branding is 320 square feet. Kumahu Railway Station. Area available for branding is 30 square feet. Sasaram Junction Railway Station. Area available for branding is 2,178 square feet. Sasaram is 7-platform station. Almost 113 trains commute on regular basis and 10,000 of people. Karvandia Railway Station. Area available for branding is 96 square feet. Dehri Onsen Railway Station. Area available for branding is 1,836 square feet. Dehri Onsen is 6-platform station. Almost 102 trains commute on regular basis and 10,000 of people. San Nagar Junction Railway Station. Area available for branding is 615 square feet. San Nagar is 4-platform station. Almost 20 trains commute on regular basis and 10,000 of people. Anugraha Narayan Road Railway Station. Area available for branding is 1,590 square feet. Anugraha Narayan Road Railway Station is 4-platform station. Almost 60 trains commute on regular basis and 10,000 of people. Faisal Railway Station. Area available for branding is 632 square feet. Faisal Railway Station is 3-platform station. Almost 15 trains commute on regular basis and 10,000 of people. Jakhim Railway Station. Area available for branding is 597 square feet. Jakhim Railway Station is 3-platform station. Almost 18 trains commute on regular basis and 10,000 of people. Rafiganj Railway Station. Area available for branding is 2,244 square feet. Rafiganj Railway Station is 4-platform station. Almost 32 trains commute on regular basis and 10,000 of people. Ismailpur Railway Station. Area available for branding is 393 square feet. Ismailpur Railway Station is 4-platform station. Almost 17 trains commute on regular basis and 10,000 of people. Guraru Railway Station. Area available for branding is 828 square feet. Guraru Railway Station is 3-platform station. Almost 26 trains commute on regular basis and 10,000 of people. Pariya Railway Station. Area available for branding is 514 square feet. Pariya Railway Station is 2-platform station. Almost 22 trains commute on regular basis and 10,000 of people. Kastar Railway Station. Area available for branding is 575 square feet. Kastar Railway Station is 2-platform station. Almost 25 trains commute on regular basis and 10,000 of people. Gaya Railway Station. Area available for branding is 1,666 square feet. Gaya railway station is 9-platform station. Almost 182 trains commute on regular basis and 10,000s of people. This is the triumph of advertisement world. Let's try this.